Hi guys, today I'm going to show you step by step how to download all of the trades and quotes for call and put options that are written on a stock for 1 week. So the database that we're going to use is Datascope Select by Thomson Reuters. So first step is to find the login information. You'll get this in the Finance Lab from one of the Finance Lab TAs. Once you have that, you want to sign in. First, you'll need to find the RIC name of the options that are written on a company. Second, you'll need to construct the format and the field of data for the output file. And third, you'll need to download the data. Once you're signed in under Datascope Select and under Search, you want to select Futures and Options. So the identifier should be RIC, which is Reuters Instrument Code. It's used by Thomson Reuters to identify financial instruments. Here's an example of an RIC. This is the ticker, the expiration date, and the strike price here written in cents. Since we don't know the full name of each RIC, in this box, we will search for it using the ticker. In this case, it's Apple, AAPL. It's very important that you put a star afterwards or you won't yield any results. If the company of your choice has a smaller ticker, such as Ford, F, you may get results for other stocks as well. So make sure when you download the data to sort through it and only have data for the company. We'll change this back to AAPL. For future and option, select options. Put and call, you want to keep it at all. You want both results for puts and calls. In this case, the currency is US dollar. For the exchange, with the options price reporting authority, BBO, if your company is in the United States. The Apple stock is currently trading around $210. For strike price, I will change it to from 150 to 250. The expiration date, you'll leave it equals. In order to limit the results even further, under underlying RIC, add the ticker again. And then you're ready to search. So if you scroll down, make sure you select Show All first. Once you've selected this, you can select all, click Add to Instrument List. Select Create New List. Let me ask that you name it company name underscore your initials. So for this case, it'll be Apple underscore JE. Select Create. Select the list that you just created and add instruments to selected list. Now that you have the instrument list, you're ready to create the report template. Under Report Template, select Create. So the report template that you want to create is Electron Time Series. Again, select Create. So for this case, I'm going to do October 26th to November 2nd. Under fields, we want to add multiple things. The RIC, the RIC root, the security description, the trade date, the underlying RIC, the last price, the ask and bid price, the expiration date, and lastly put call flag. Finally, in the applied filters section, select futures and options. Once you've added all this, you can give the report a name. Make sure that you click include column headers or you'll have to manually put them in afterwards. Now you're ready to hit save. So now that you've found your option data, you've created an instrument list, and you've created a report template, you're ready to create a schedule. So under schedules, select create. Now you want to select new immediate schedule, so the schedule is generated right away. Select the list that you just created, and same with the report template. You want to give the file a name. And you're ready to select schedule now. So this process may take a few minutes. So once the file is queued, under view, you can select download. The file will download in Excel format, and it should look like this. So once it's downloaded, you want to select data and add filters. This way you can sort through it much easier. So in this case, you can select only puts, vice versa, you can select only calls, and you can do that for everything else as well. All right, so if you have any questions regarding Datascope Select or Thomson Reuters, feel free to ask any of the Finance Lab TAs.